Oh, that was all five.
Oh, the five. Oh, wow. Very good.
Identify the problem,
Uh-huh.
solve the problem better than everyone else, figure out how to make it recurring, make their
Mhm.
process better, and then just keep doing that over and over.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and the wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Joshua with us. And growing up in a divorced family was always a negative topic in the life of Joshua. And after receiving a degree in actuarial science, that he had to explain me what is that because I don't know what is it. He discovered that financial advisors are in sales and don't know the ins and outs of investing. That's when Joshua made the mission to educate Americans on the best way to grow the wealth. So tell us, Joshua, what are the 5 steps of that the entrepreneur should be doing out there in order to make the first million?
Well, thank you, Harry, for having me on and the warm welcome. I enjoyed our little chat before hopping on. I mean, if your goal is just to make a lot of money, you're probably not going to do it. You have to first identify the problem, figure out how to solve the problem better than other people. Then you have to figure out how to do it on a recurring revenue basis versus just a salesperson where you make a sale, then you got to make another sale. Then as you do it, you got to make the process better. And then essentially you just got to keep doing that over and over again until you get to where you want to be. So enjoying the boring work is where success is found. And a lot of people don't like doing the boring work. And that's the most challenging thing, is doing the same thing over and over again with the same conviction. It's kind of like when your favorite musical artist gets sick of singing the same songs, but their audience loves the same songs when they go to a concert. So how can an artist who's sang the same song a billion times still have the same enthusiasm when they're singing that song again?
Yeah. And then what else, Joshua? We have 3 steps. We have 2 left.
Oh, that was all five.
How are the 5? Oh, wow. Very
Identify
good.
the problem,
Uh-huh.
solve the problem better than everyone else, figure out how to make it recurring, make their process better, and then just keep doing that over and over.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.